Kids Media.
Are you looking for a whiteboard software for online teaching? Then you are at the right place. Let's download the software by going to a browser. Then type in the address bar openboard.ch. Choose the language and click on the download link. From there, select the installer for your operating system. I am using Windows, so I am selecting Windows version. Once it is downloaded, open up the downloaded location and double click on the file to open it. Select your language and click OK. Then choose the location to install and click Next. If you want to create desktop shortcut, tick the checkbox and click Next and click on Install button to begin the installation. Once it is completed, click on the Finish button to close the window. To open the file, click on the shortcut on the desktop. The toolbar has pen to write, eraser to erase, highlighter to highlight, and laser pointer for pointing. Also, it has a hand pointer to move objects and a hand to scroll the page. A line tool is given to draw lines, a text box is given to type, and we can change font name, color and size as per our need. By clicking on the stylus icon on the top, you can toggle the toolbar to show or hide. We can record entire session by choosing podcast and the file will be saved on desktop. Using the color section, we can choose the colors for writing and highlighting. Line width can be modified from the line section. Eraser size can be changed from eraser section. We can change the background by selecting the background icon from top. We can choose white and black backgrounds with grids or without grids. We can adjust the grid by moving the scale at the bottom. We can add pages by clicking on the page add icon on the top. You can use the previous and next icons for navigation on the pages. You can see pages by clicking on the arrow at the left side. If you want to annotate on another file or on desktop, you can use the Show Desktop icon and choose the tools to make your annotation. To get back to OpenBoard application, click on the Show OpenBoard icon. By clicking on Documents, we can open previous narrations. Click on the Quit button to close the application.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.